Namaste. This is Elke. Thank you so much for joining me. Take this next moment or two to give yourself whatever it is that you need. Close your eyes. Start to notice what is here behind your eyes. Noticing darkness or light. Colors, shapes, patterns, whatever you can see. Observe how you can move from sensation to thought. And then from thought to sensation. And then from here, notice the breath inside the nose. Moving inside the nostrils and traveling down this passageway into the lungs. Aware that there is a movement of thought. And there's also movements and changes in sensations. Feel this movement of breath. And then become aware inside the mouth, noticing the taste. The taste buds, the tongue, the teeth. The top of the mouth, the bottom of the mouth. Feeling and sensing all that you can taste. And then become aware of sounds. Sounds in the distance. Sounds nearby. Waves and layers of sounds. And then notice what you can smell. Aromas. Air. Stimulating olfactories inside the nose. Sensory inside the brain. And now notice what you can feel. Noticing air on the skin. Warm or cool. Entire skin. Open and sensitive. And then become aware back into the space behind the closed eyes. And back into the breath. And back into the sounds around you. Opening eyes whenever you feel ready. And then taking in all that you can see.